school going students and also those who are preparing for competitive exams. Let us see the definition of degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. Generally, we can show the comparison for the adjectives only. Like, see, there are 3 degrees of comparison. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. These 3 degrees are shown for the adjectives only. First one, the positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. That means this positive degree is used for only one person or place or thing, etc. That means there is no any comparison with another thing. Example, Ramu is a tall boy. Here we are saying about only Ramu. Just we are saying about his quality, that is tall. He is a tall boy. We are not comparing Ramu to anyone. So in this sentence we use the adjective tall. This is the first form, that is positive degree of the adjective. The comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two objects, persons, place or things. That means this comparative degree is used to compare only two things or persons or things. For example, Kiran is taller than Ram. Here, look at this picture. Kiran and Ram, two persons are there. Here, we are comparing only these two persons. That means we can understand that there is comparison between these two persons, Kiran and Ram. Here we are saying Kiran is taller than Ram. That's why we used taller. Taller is comparative degree. In this sentence, tall. Tall is positive degree. Taller is comparative degree. Then go to the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, persons, places or things. That means we can understand that here there is comparison more than two things or persons or places. Example, Suresh is the tallest boy. Look at this picture. Suresh, Kiran and Ramu are there. Who is the tallest? Suresh. Now here we are comparing Suresh with Kiran and Ramu. 3 persons are there. That means more than 2. Whether it is 4, 5, 6, etc., etc., whatever it may be, if there is comparison more than 2, then we have to use superlative degree. The superlative degree of the adjective tall is tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. One more example. She has a big house. In this sentence, what is the adjective? Big. Here, in this sentence, there is no any comparison. So that's why we used only positive degree of the adjective big. Her house is bigger than my house. In this sentence, there is comparison. Between what? Between her house and my house. Only two things are there, hers and mine. So, when there is comparison between two things, then we have to use comparative degree. The comparative degree of big is bigger. This is positive degree, big. And this is bigger, comparative degree. Now, see. Her house is the biggest of all. Here, the comparison is among 3 houses. So, we have to use superlative degree. When there is comparison more than two things or places or persons, we have to use superlative degree. So the superlative degree of big is biggest. Now let us see rules. Before superlative degree, the must be used. Here in this sentence, biggest is the superlative degree. Before this superlative degree, we have to use the biggest, the strongest, the tallest, the largest, the thickest, like that. Definitely it is a rule we have to use before the superlative degree, the. Second one, in comparative degree, the adjective ends with er. Of course, we know that in comparative degree, the adjective ends with er, and in superlative degree, the adjective ends with est. And another rule is than is used in comparative degree. In comparative degree, we have to use than. Her house is bigger than my house. Definitely, compulsory we have to use than in comparative degree. Example, he is the cleverest boy in his class. Here, this is superlative degree, cleverest. Before the cleverest, the is used. And boat is smaller than ship. This is comparative degree. That's why we have to use than. And we have to observe these sentences. He is the cleverest boy in his class. We have to use superlative degree. Why? Because let us see this picture. The boy who stands, this boy is the cleverest boy in his class. In his class, more than 2 pupils are there. That's why we have to use superlative degree. Here we are comparing this boy to his whole class. That's why we have to use superlative degree. And in the second sentence, boat is smaller than ship. Only 2 things are there, boat and ship. So that's why we used comparative degree. See, here only 2 things are there, boat and ship. Ship is bigger than boat or boat is smaller than ship. Like that we have to use comparative degree. Let us see some more examples. The 3 degrees of the adjectives: big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, hot, hotter, hottest, mad, madder, maddest, large, larger, largest, pure, purer, purest, dense, denser, densest, close, closer, closest, high, higher, highest, long, longer, longest, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, good, better, best. For some adjectives, there is some variation like good. Good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, best is the superlative degree. Like that bad. Bad, positive, worse, comparative, worst, superlative. Old, older, oldest. Many or much, more, most, little, less, least. We have to keep these things in our mind. Okay. Next, for some adjectives, those adjectives do not end with er or est, like beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Before the adjectives, we have to add more or most. In comparative degree, we have to add more. In superlative degree, we have to add most. Important, more important, most important. Inventive, more inventive, most inventive. Predictably, more predictably, most predictably. Like that, we add more or most according to the degrees of the adjective. Some examples: useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. According to the syllable, we have to add more or most according to the degree also. Okay. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Like that, some more examples also I have given here. Now, let us see the transformation of sentences. How can we change from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative? Like that, how to change means now I will explain. Some models are also there. Model 1, comparative degree. Boxing is worse than cricket. In positive degree, cricket is not so bad as boxing. In model 1, there is no superlative degree. In this first model, only comparative degree and positive degrees are there. The radio is cheaper than the tape recorder. The tape recorder is not so cheap as the radio. That means here there is comparison between two things. When there is comparison between two things only, then we have to transform the sentences like this. To die is better than to lie. To lie is not so good as to die. Next one. She thinks better than he. He does not think so good as she. The atmosphere of Guntur is hotter than that of Machilipatnam. The atmosphere of Machilipatnam is not so hot as that of Guntur. Model 2. Here positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees are also there. No other game is as terrible as boxing. In positive degree. Here we are comparing the game boxing with other games. That means not only boxing, we are not comparing boxing with another game. We are comparing it with many other games. So when there is comparison more than 2, then the degrees of the sentences will change like this. In comparative degree, boxing is more terrible than any other game. Superlative degree, boxing is the most terrible game of all. So, of all, that means so many games are there. Among those games, we are comparing boxing with them. Next, positive degree. No other metal is as precious as platinum. Comparative degree. Platinum is more precious than any other metal. Platinum is the most precious metal of all. This is the model 2. When we use no other in positive degree, in comparative degree we have to write any other. And in superlative degree is the most. We have to use like this. According to these sentences, if you prepare, easy, or you can transform the sentences easily. Model 3. Positive degree. Very few ancient as Calcutta. Comparative degree. Calcutta is more ancient than many other cities. Superlative degree. Calcutta is one of the most ancient cities. Here also we are comparing Calcutta with other cities. Not only another city. We are comparing Calcutta with many other cities. More than 2. So that's why we have to write like this. When the sentence is given in a particular model, we have to identify the model and according to that we have to transform the sentence. When it is given in positive degree very few, we have to write in comparative degree many other. Like that in superlative, one of the. So these are the main points we have to keep in our mind. Very few boys are as noisy as Sunny. Sunny is noisier than many other boys. Sunny is one of the noisiest boys. So in model 3, in positive degree, very few. In comparative degree, many other. In superlative degree, one of the. This is the main rule or main thing we have to keep in our mind. Model 4. Some pens are at least as good as Reynolds. Reynolds is not better than any other pen. Reynolds is not the best pen of all. Here we have to observe in positive degree at least is there, and in comparative degree better than, than any other. Here in comparative degree than any other is there. Like that in superlative degree also of all is there. So when there is at least in positive degree, we have to write the comparative degree by using any other, and superlative degree we have to write of all we have to write. Some dictators are at least as cruel as Hitler. Hitler is not more cruel than any other dictator. Hitler is not the most cruel dictator of all. Here see, in positive degree, at least is there. So when there is at least in positive degree, we have to transform that positive degree into comparative by using any other. And we have to transform into superlative by using of all. Like that, first of all we have to observe the sentence in which model. Then according to that sentence we have to transform the degrees of the comparison of the given adjective. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.